Once upon a time, in a sparkling blue pond surrounded by tall grass and blooming flowers, there lived a tiny turtle named Tilly. Tilly was the smallest turtle in the pond, but she had the biggest sense of adventure. While the other turtles liked to sunbathe on rocks, Tilly loved to explore every corner of the pond. One sunny morning, Tilly noticed something strange, a shiny object glimmering at the far edge of the pond. Her curiosity was too strong to resist. "I have to find out what that is," she said to herself, her little legs paddling quickly through the water. As Tilly swam closer, she realized the shiny object was a golden key. It was stuck between two rocks at the bottom of the pond. "A treasure key," she whispered excitedly. She tugged and tugged until the key popped free. With the key in her mouth, Tilly swam around the pond, searching for what it could unlock. She asked her friend Freddie the Frog, "Do you know what this key opens?" Freddie smiled and croaked, "I've heard of a secret garden hidden in the meadow. Maybe it opens the gate." Tilly's eyes sparkled with excitement. She crawled out of the pond and made her way to the meadow. After a little searching, she found an old wooden gate covered in vines. With a deep breath, she placed the key in the lock and turned it. The gate creaked open, revealing the most beautiful garden Tilly had ever seen. Filled with colorful flowers, butterflies, and sweet-smelling fruit trees, Tilly beamed with pride, knowing her curiosity had led her to a wonderful adventure. From that day on, Tilly shared the secret garden with all her friends, proving that even the smallest turtle can unlock big surprises.